Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining my class today. When you are ready, get your mat and let's begin. Come with the soles of the feet together. Walk yourself towards your heels or bring the heels towards you. We begin in a butterfly position. Keep relaxed in the upper body and resting hands on the knees or thighs. Close your eyes for a moment here. Taking a few breaths here to bring ourselves to this practice. And know that if you are on a tight schedule, this is the right class for you. Relaxing jaws, relaxing shoulders. Take 2 more breaths here. And out. 1 more. Exhale all out. Join the palms of the heart in Namaste. Last 2 breaths, pressing the fingers equally against each other. An additional way to bring ourselves to the present moment. Still relaxing, still breathing, and supporting your practice at all the time with the breath. 1 last breath. In long and exhale out. Beautiful. When you're ready, open your eyes, releasing the hands down by the side. Inhaling again here, sitting bones down, and exhale, walk the hands in front of you, forward fold for a moment. Take your time. Still inhaling away from the lower back. Relax the shoulders. Go to your own degree. Don't force anything, just opening for a moment the hips. 1 breath more. Exhale. Inhale, head up, walk the hands back towards you. Inhaling, arms up, neutral spinal. Exhale to the right, left hand right knee, right hand behind you, twisting. Still staying away from the lower back. Make sure you're not hurting when you twist. Inhaling back and up. Exhale to the left hand behind, right hand towards the left knee. 2 breaths on this side. 1 more. And out. Inhale back to center. Bring the hands under the knees. Just bring the soles of the feet down for a moment. Hands on the side. And release some tension by dropping knees from side to side. 1 more round, left and right. Coming to center and keeping the left knee bent down. Extend the right leg in front of you, bringing sole of the left foot into your right inner thigh. Pushing to the right heel, point the right toes up. Inhaling again, neutral spinal. Exhaling, catch onto your ankle, outside of the feet, or top of the feet. Exhale to a forward fold. Make sure to maintain a flat back for as much as is available to you. And if any lower back pain arises, make sure to come out of the pose. 1 more breath here in Dany Yoga. Exhale. Inhaling, head up. Exhaling to release, switching side. Extend the left leg in front of you, bend again into the right knee, sole of the right foot inside the left inner thigh. Push to the left hip, point the left toes up. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling to fold. Inhaling again for a flat back and exhaling. Hold your Dany Yoga. 3 breaths as well on this side. And again, make sure your lower back is okay. The only way to support your lower back to protect is by inhaling always away from the lower back before folding. Relaxing jaws and shoulders. 1 more breath. Exhale out. Inhale halfway up. Exhale there and inhale to release. Bend the left knee in front of the right. Bring the hands in front of you. Lift yourself up to the hands and knees. Walking wrist under the shoulder, spreading fingers, pressing palms down, separating knees hip apart, bringing the hips just above the knees. Few rounds of cat and cows here. Inhaling and exhaling always, all the time. Keep the shoulders away from the ear. Let's begin. Inhale, drop the belly down, sitting bones up, gaze up, arching the back. Onto the exhale, round into the back, chin to chest, navel to spinal. Remember, press the ground away from you, both in and out. Shoulders are away from the ears. 4 more like that. Inhale and out. Inhale for 3. And out. Make sure to relax and maybe bring a smile as well onto the facial muscles. Inhale, 2 more. And out. Inhale, 1 more. And out. Beautiful. Inhale, 2 neutral spinal, tucking toes in. Inhaling again, exhaling, down facing dog. Bend the knee 1 at a time, walk your dog. Beautiful. Sharpen the sitting bones, stretch well. Spread the fingers, press the palms. Inhale, gaze at the top of the mat. Take as many steps as you need to walk yourself to the top. Big toes to touch, feet together. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Round into the spinal, into the back, and roll yourself to a standing. Inhaling, arms up, press the feet into the ground, gaze up, shoulders away from the hip. Exhaling, hands at the heart and down by the side. Keep the feet together, either legs together, tailbone in, shoulders relaxed. Inhaling to stretch. Gaze in front of you, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Bring the palms down, step the right foot back, left to follow, down facing down. Inhale to a high plank, navel to spinal, shoulders above the wrist. Bring the feet together, closer to each other, drop the knees down, chest and chin down, elbows in. And inhale, forward to a cobra, elbows. Make sure to keep the elbows attached to the rib cage. Exhale, lower down, tuck the toes in. Inhale back to a high plank, navel to spinal. And hold your plank for 3, 2, 1. Big inhale again. Exhale, down facing dog. Wonderful. When you are ready, gaze at the top of the mat. Step the right foot in between the hands. Drop the left heel sideways and inhale all the way up. Now make sure your front heel is in line with the left heel. Turn yourself sideways on the mat. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling here. Inhaling again, right arm up. Exhaling, Uttita Trikonasana. Roll the left shoulder back. Long neck, gaze up with your left hand. Hold your Trikonasana for 2 breaths. You can always gaze forward if the neck won't allow you to gaze up. And if you're gazing up, gaze in front of you, push into the hips, come up to a standing. Turn the right toes in, left toes out, same. Inhaling, left arm up, exhaling, Uttita Trikonasana onto the left side. Roll the right shoulder back, long neck before you gaze up. Make sure you are always okay with what are you doing, and always support your practice with the breath. 2 more breaths here. Exhale. Gaze in front of you, push to the heels, come to a standing. Turn the left toes in as well, feet are parallel to each other. Interlock the fingers behind the back. Inhaling, tailbone in, push the heart and chest forward and up. Exhale, forward fold. Prasarita Padottanasana. Make sure to keep equal weight onto the heels and toes. And if you cannot interlock, just use a strap to work on the shoulders as well here. 2 more breaths. Keep a soft bend in the knees if any pain arise. 1 more. Inhaling halfway up, exhaling, releasing the hands in front of you. Inhale for a flat back. Exhale, hands on the hips, and inhale to rise. The head is always the last one to come up. Turn the right toes out again 1 more time, and separate the feet a little bit wider than earlier. Arrange as well the right heel in line with the left arch of the foot this time. Bending into the right knee, inhaling arms parallel to the ground. Exhaling, gaze at your right middle finger. Virabhadasana 2, Warrior 2. We hold here for 4. Make sure to not let your right knee fall in, so roll your inner hip to the outer hip. Your right knee should point towards the second, third toe. Outer edge of the left foot pressing down. Sharpen the fingers, strong arms. 1 more breath. Keep the arms parallel to the ground. Push in through the right heel. Extend the right leg. Turn the right toes in. Turn the left toes out. Bend into the left knee. Inhaling again with the tailbone in. Shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, gaze at your left hand. Again, left knee won't fall in. Hold 5 breaths on this side too. Shoulder blades going away from each other. Outer edge of the right foot pressing down. Soften the jaws. 1 more breath. When you're ready, push to the left heel. Extend the left leg. Turn the toes in. So again, I'm having the feet parallel to each other. Interlock the fingers behind the back. Changing the interlock of the fingers. Inhaling again. Exhaling, forward folding once more into our Prasarita Padottanasana. Equal weight onto the heels and toes. Long neck, heavy head, shoulders away from the ears. Use a strap if you can. Interlock fingers. Beautiful. If this is too easy, the distance you have in between your feet, it's too easy for you, then shorten the distance. Or if it's too hard, open wider. Take 1 more breath here. Exhale, all out. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, release the fingertips down in front of you. Halfway up once more. Inhale. Exhale, hands on the hips. Inhale to stand once more. The head is the last one to come up. Turn the right toes to the top of the mat. Step the left foot at the top of the mat. Keep the hands on the hips and move forward and back here a few times onto the toes and heels. Wonderful. And when you're ready, bring the feet together. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, forward fold. Halfway up, inhale, bring the palms down, big step with the left foot back, right to follow, downward facing dog. Spread the fingers, press the palm, lengthen upper body, sharpen the sitting bones. 1 more breath, in downward facing dog, and then exhale, dropping the knees down. Walk the knees forward, crossing the legs at the shins, and sit down, extending the legs in front of you. Bring the feet together, point the toes up, push through the heels, inhale, neutral spine, and exhale, fold. Inhale again, flat back. Exhale, maybe go deeper into the fold, catching onto the big toes or outer edge of the feet. Or again, if the feet are too far from you, use a strap. Place it on the balls of the feet, relaxing the shoulders. 1 more breath. Exhale. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale there, and inhale to come all the way up. Coming forward on your mat. Make sure there's nothing behind you without collapsing and dropping. Release, lower yourself down, hugging knees into the chest. Extending left leg down, hugging the right knee, softening the feet, remaining flat on the mat. Shoulders, lower back and neck are down. Extend the right arm outside the mat. With the left hand, bring your right knee towards the left side of the mat. Long neck, gaze towards the right, or keep gazing up to the ceiling for our supine twist. Soften again, bring yourself back to the practice. If you are already thinking about somewhere else, about where you have to be next, come back here, be aware of the breath, be aware of what's going on right now. One last breath here. Exhale, bring everything back to center, gaze and knee. Adjust yourself at the center of the mat and switch sides. Extend the right leg, hug the left knee into the chest. Hold it just for a breath, and then when you're ready, extend the left arm outside the left side of the mat, and with the right hand, pull the left knee to the right. Inhaling long neck before you gaze towards the left, or maybe just gaze up at the ceiling. Relaxing shoulders, muscles around the belly. Relax yourself completely. Take your time. One last breath here. Exhale. Come back to center, everything gaze and knee, have both knees into the chest. Inhale and exhale, forehead to the knees. Beautiful. Rock yourself to a seated, coming into a cross-legged sitting position. Once more, bring the hands at the heart. Close your eyes. Just 5 breaths together to calm down the mind. Pressing the fingers equally against each other, relaxing the shoulders, exhaling, emptying the lungs completely out. 4, inhale. Out. 3, inhale. And out. 2, inhale. Out. 1 more. Exhale out. Beautiful. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day or a peaceful evening if you are practicing this in the evening. Thank you so much. Namaste.